now we're gonna open the new vacuum, cordless vacuum, TINECO A10 dash and quick and easy cordless cleaning. So let's check it out how it's working. So this is the thing. It's not like too expensive. It's reliable price, so I just bought it for vacuum the floor. So I'm gonna check it out right away. So if I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. So make sure. So this is the menu book here, and because actually I like the white color everything, so that's why I bought it. So these are for brush cleaner, pipe cleaner, and there's little charger. So this is like for the dusting big pipe. So right here the main machine for vacuum. It looks nice. So here right there. Wow. This is, I think, chargeable. I'm pretty sure, but I have to check it out. Okay, let's see. What is left? What is left is right there. So this is the box for vacuum. Let's see what is left in there. See something in there. So here is interesting thing. Here is interesting thing is right there. This thing is very interesting. The part for the you can put in on the wall, and you can like hang it. Like this is called like the vacuum hanger. So we are going to use it right now. So this is very easy to use it, and I think it's better. So I don't know like how long it will be lasting for future and how it will be working, but now it's good. So I don't know actually, but I will suggest to you guys to buy this one. This is very reliable price, like less than $100, like $99. It comes with the tax. It's more than 100, but it's okay. So you can see that. So also this one is for easy to use for the vacuum your car and your couch too. Like if you do like that, it will be very easy to use for cleaning your couch. Like you see that. So I think it's better with the small thing. Also you can attach to it like this pipe. So this is take it off from there. So this parts with like the small thing, like I'm gonna show you. So just take it off, plug it on, just plug it on and hold it like this. So you can like vacuum like that. Also this is for cleaning, like you know, for the edge and like you know, for this parts. It's nice, pretty nice, like that. So I think this one is better for vacuum cleaner. So I think there is like 5 layers inside in there. So many company have like you know so many different kind of vacuum, but I think this one is better. So I already check it up, and this one is pretty heavy, and for the especially for the price, it's reliable, easy to use. Like this is very easy to use and very simple. You can see that. So this is the thing. So I think this one is like not for old class, it does something. So the depends, I just got it on my hands, so I just open it and I'm just trying to making a videos for review this one, and it does something like for cleaning. It's pretty heavy, it's pretty good working. The last thing is depends on how long it will be lasting. That's all the matter. So I can't tell you guys right now because it's take times, you know that it's not make sense like I'm just telling you go for it or buy it. So I'm just trying to review for this product, and I think this one is good for vacuum cleaning your flooring, for couch, and you can take it. This is chargeable, so you can take it to your hand and you can clean your inside the car. So you don't need to for extra expense for like small vacuum for your for the car, and you don't need to go like every time for vacuum your car like outside for paying extra money, extra penny, extra dollar. So I think this one is better. It's what like I was talking about. So you can plug it on your wall, you can hang it on the wall, so you can see that. So this is like nice and very easy to use, and you can see that like 300 watt motor, LED lights on there. So if you see the LED lights in there, so I saw after that like when I plug it on, these parts is like attached to it like something inside the wire. So this is connected with the direct to the charge like from the battery. So nice. So yeah, it's pretty good.